What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Gus and this is Calirebuildables. Okay guys, so this is where we left my last video. I was showing you, but it was kind of dark, I did cut this off and cut that off just to see so you guys could see evenly what's wrong with that whole dash. I'm still trying to figure that out, but now that it's daylight, you can see the damage on the windshield. So the windshield is gonna need to be replaced. um I was gonna show you the seats, but I already replaced the seats, so I don't want to show you guys that. Beyond that, I also installed the muffler, but that you guys won't be able to see that till the next video. um Man, you guys can see the seats. I don't want you guys seeing the seats, but thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. This is gonna be an SRT8 conversion, but it's not gonna be an SRT8. I most likely will be buying the what's it called, the Chrysler Crossfire emblems, the srt8, and slapping them on the Jeep, because this is not gonna be an SRT8. It is gonna have the SRT body, the body kit and all that stuff, but it's not gonna be an 8. So srt8 I think suits it better. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos. I will be, maybe my next video will be on the Buick. I have the video already ready to go up, but I don't know. Stay tuned. Make sure you follow me on Instagram also. Check out the links below. All kinds of stuff and parts that are gonna be, that I bought, will be on the link. So just enjoy the video, guys. Okay guys, so this is gonna be the second video on the Jeep, as you know already, or may not know, but I am gonna do an SRT conversion. So from the outside, I'm gonna try to make it look exactly like an SRT8. From the interior, I'm gonna try to, but the engine's gonna stay the same. It's gonna be a B6. I'm gonna put a muffler on it. I'm gonna put a muffler on it so it could sound like a Honda. So I don't know if you heard those Honda Civics with those loud mufflers. That's what this thing's gonna sound like, and it's gonna be pretty funny. I mean, it is a B6. I don't think there's anything else I could do to make it sound more aggressive besides adding a muffler, you know, a Flowmaster, a cherry bomb, I don't know, but still it's gonna sound pretty funny. So with that said, that I am gonna do a conversion. I already ordered some parts, so let me show you guys those parts. Okay guys, so this is one of the parts. Some of the first parts that arrived first. These are some of the parts that arrived first. And this is the headlamp. This is the headlamp. As you can see, it's got the LED around it, and it's got the projector. That one doesn't. As you can see, it's just the normal headlight. So I think this is gonna be cooler. I know some of you were saying to do a 2014 and plus conversion, but this headlight was like 300 bucks, and if I did that 2014 and up, it's gonna be way more expensive. And I'm trying to make it look better, as always. Trying to waste the less money possible. So this is the headlights. Okay, this is another thing that arrived also, is the fenders. As you can see, this one's pushed back just a little bit, so it's bubbled, and the one on the passenger side is really bad. So these are the fenders. I got both of them. So I mean, there's really not that much to see. Okay, so this is the fender. It's pretty identical as the one I have, but this is not painted. I just don't know if the molding that goes here grabs onto this, because I was looking for the SRT fenders and it was the same thing. So hopefully this is where the what's it called, like the fender flare hooks up to. But the other one is exactly the same, so there's no need for me to show you both of them. But new fenders. Okay, this is another part, and I think this is one of the coolest ones. The whole front bumper. This is what's gonna make it look a little bit different. This is the SRT, the Jeep SRT8 bumper. As you can see, it did come folded because it wasn't tucked into a box really tight, so they bent it from somewhere around here. But I left it overnight sitting like the way it is, and everything came out. So check it out. Let me know what you guys think. How would this thing look on the Jeep? no idea, but we'll see pretty soon. Okay guys, this is another part. This is going to be the lower grill, the bumper, vents, and the trunk trim. They're open because I already opened them, but this will go on the bumper and the bottom, at the very bottom, somewhere, something like that. I have no idea how it would go, but I would have to install them on the bumper. But for now, that's all the parts that have arrived. I mean, I am waiting for more parts, but first I'm gonna start turning this thing off and see what's needed, you know, underneath. For the bumper, I'm still missing the corner lights, but they are pretty expensive. I've seen like for 250, 300 bucks each. So if you guys know where we can find them a lot cheaper, or any of the parts for the SRT8 cheaper, just leave the link on the description or leave a comment. That way I could read them and I'll search I'll check them out to see if they're pretty cheap, because we are gonna do it on the cheap side, most of it on the outside. I still need the moldings that go right here, down there, and the back. I'm still waiting for the bumper. We are getting a used bumper, and because it's cheaper.
So we're gonna start by removing this thing. It's almost completely off, and well, we're gonna start turning it on.
Everything here's already torn down. I'm gonna leave that for now. I have the parts that you saw, but I'm gonna continue tearing the rest of the parts off. Like this bottom panel is gonna come off. All these little plastics are gonna come off too, the trim. The rear bumper's coming off, and same thing as on this side, the plastic, the bottom, whatever running board is, that thing down there, it's gonna come off right now too. I was gonna get this one off too, because I'm waiting for the wider one, the one that comes up out more, but that's not gonna happen maybe till next week or 15 days. But either way, like I said, I'm gonna continue tearing everything down. See, the whole bumper is off, completely off. So I'm just waiting for the new one to arrive and slap it back on. I still gotta remove these plastics and that, but maybe that would be another video. So far this is where I'm at. and I'm pretty tired. Okay guys, like I said, see, I got most of the car torn down now. That's pretty much that I'm gonna do for today, so I'm gonna be calling it a day. I still gotta tear off the side panels, the running boards, so I don't know what they're called, but what else besides that? It's gotta start reassembling everything. In order, I still gotta buy the radiator, like I said, the radiator and maybe the AC condenser, but besides that, you just, you know, slap on the new parts, the new rear bumper. I should be getting that maybe today, because they are getting removed from another Jeep, the real SRT Jeep that was in a crash, and the guy's getting rid of the parts, so I'm gonna get most of the parts from there, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned, guys.
Get $25 off your next purchase of Armor Shield 9 using promo code Cali25. Link in video description.